Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana Task Approval. This feature streamlines your workflow by letting team members formally approve work before it moves forward, keeping everyone aligned and accountable. To get started, head over to your Asana project in the web app. Once you're in the project where you need approval, look for the drop-down arrow icon right beside the Add Task button in the top left corner of your screen. Click on that arrow and you'll see a menu appear with different task options from that drop-down menu. Select Approval. This creates a special approval task that's different from regular tasks because it comes with built-in approval actions. Go ahead and name your approval task something clear like Review Q1 Budget or Approve Marketing Campaign, then click on it to open the Task Details pane. Now, you need to assign this approval to the right person. In the Approval Task Details, click on the Assignee field and select the name of the person who needs to approve this work. This is crucial because it puts the ball in their court and they'll receive a notification that their approval is needed. Next, set a due date in the due date field. If your approval is time sensitive, this keeps things moving and ensures approvals don't sit waiting indefinitely. Adding a deadline also helps the approver prioritize their workload. Before you finalize everything, add any relevant attachments or details in the approval task description. This gives your approver all the context they need to make an informed decision, whether it's files, links, or just explanatory notes. Providing this information upfront prevents back and forth questions and speeds up the approval process. Once your approval task is set up and assigned, the approver will see three clear options at the top of the Details pane: Approved, Request Changes, or Reject. These buttons make the approval process straightforward and eliminate any confusion about how to respond. The approver simply clicks the option that reflects their decision. When the approval decision is made, the approval task is automatically marked complete, and Asana sends notifications to all collaborators about the approval status. This keeps your entire team informed without you having to manually update anyone, ensuring everyone knows whether work can proceed or needs revision. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.